One cool feature with Face ID iPhones and iPads is the fact that notifications are automatically hidden when the device is locked. This means anybody that takes a glance at your phone will know you got a notification from a specific app, but it will not know the contents of it. If you have an iPhone or iPad with Touch ID, you may notice that those things automatically show what the content is, whether the device is locked or not. In this video, I want to show you how we can hide notification previews on any iOS device. So right here, I have an iPad with Touch ID. Now, as you can see, the iPad is currently locked, but you can see all the contents of its notification. That includes the app title, the notification subject, and the email contents. Now, you can't actually read that notification without unlocking the iPad, but you can still read all of its contents. To hide this preview without your biometric authentication, first we need to go into settings and then notifications. From there, we will go to show previews, tap on that, and then we have three options: always, when unlocked, and never. On a Face ID device, it automatically defaults to when unlocked, and on a Touch ID device, it automatically defaults to always. So if you want to hide those previews when the device is locked, we just tap when unlocked. That way, when our device is locked, you will not see anything. When you unlock it with your Touch ID, it will show you those contents. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine, exactly how we would expect. So there you go. That is it for this video. Pretty simple and easy, but not something you may be looking for. So if this helped you out, feel free to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I will see you in the next one.